A bustling morning at the Han Sawmill, where heavy trucks loaded with massive logs steadily arrive at the raw material reception area. After a long journey from vast, sprawling forests, the logs, the result of many years of natural growth, are now ready to enter a precise and modern processing operation. With the support of specialized cranes, each log is carefully yet decisively lifted from the truck beds and neatly placed into the staging yard. From there, the automated feed system takes over. The logs are lined up and move steadily along conveyors, gradually entering the production line, marking the beginning of a remarkable transformation from raw, rugged timber into refined sawnwood products. Before being sawn, each log undergoes a meticulous digital inspection. At the scanning station, an advanced 3D sensing system captures a complete set of geometric data, from curvature, ovality, and diameter dimensions to even the smallest surface defects. This scanning data is immediately sent to the eWood optimization software, the powerful digital brain behind the entire production process. Here, eWood analyzes each log as a detailed digital map. It calculates and simulates hundreds of different cutting patterns in an instant, selecting the optimal solution to achieve the highest product yield, the best quality output, and the minimization of waste and surplus wood. Thanks to this technology, each log, even if imperfect in shape, is maximized to its full potential, turning challenges into opportunities, transforming nature into perfect products. Once the optimization process is complete, the logs enter the heart of the production line, the primary sawing area, where the advanced DWK 2-axis saw machines are in operation. Designed for maximum performance, the DWK saw uses two parallel rotating shafts, each fitted with sharp circular saw blades. As the log passes through, the saw blades simultaneously cut from both sides, making precise cuts according to pre-calculated paths, transforming the round log into geometrically accurate wood blanks. Compared to traditional bandsaw systems, the DWK 2-axis saw delivers superior processing speed, reducing processing time while maintaining extremely high precision. The sound of the saws cutting rings out steadily, like the heartbeat of the factory, with each cut bringing the logs closer to becoming completed sawnwood products, showcasing the power of modern technology. After the primary sawing process, the rough wood blanks are automatically transported to the sorting area. Here, modern sensors and camera systems measure each blank with precision, from length, width, and thickness to surface quality. The control software compares the measured data with established standards. Blanks that meet the requirements will continue their journey for fine processing, while those that do not, due to surface defects, warping, or non-standard dimensions, are separated for auxiliary processing or redirected for other applications. This sorting process is fully automated, occurring continuously with high precision, ensuring that every product leaving the factory meets the most stringent technical and aesthetic requirements. The wood panels that pass the sorting stage continue to the fine processing area, where the PF19 automatic planer takes over the task of finishing the product. With its high-speed rotating blades and stable pressing mechanisms, the PF19 smoothly planes the surface of each panel, achieving the precise thickness required by the standards. Under the sharp blades, the rough, uneven surfaces are quickly replaced with smooth, flat, even, and glossy finishes. Not only does this planing process enhance the appearance, but it also ensures that the product achieves absolute precision, making the subsequent steps like drying, jointing, or surface coating much easier. The accuracy and stability in fine processing reflect Sagework Han's commitment to the quality of its output products. At the end of the production process, the smoothly planed boards are moved to the finished goods packaging area. Here they undergo a final inspection, measuring, re-evaluating the overall quality, and sorting them into different product groups based on their intended use and quality standards. The conforming boards are stacked neatly, securely strapped into bundles, and labeled for easy transportation and traceability. From the distant forests, through the hands of technology and human intellect, each log is now transformed into precisely cut sawn wood products, ready for their new journey, to build structures, homes, and living spaces of the future. A majestic oak trees, the rough scars, the decades, even centuries, storms, and sea. Its life transformed into products that carry the breath. Worker stands before the tree, before a rough block of stone, every grain, every surface. Dense wood and beautiful grain of challenges. A small knot. All of the wood panel. The tightening straps secure the log, and the rotating shafts gently adjust to ensure the first cut will be straight and precise. The engine hums, its deep sound reverberating, awakening the space around it. Then, the sharp saw blade, with its tiny teeth like claws, begins its journey through the dense wood. As the blade makes contact with the log, small wood shavings fly into the air, resembling golden dust particles. Bit by bit, the saw cuts deeper, exposing the golden core inside. The wood grain emerges under the lights, slow spirals, smooth flowing lines, silently telling the story of the tree's age. The machine moves slowly, steadily, carefully adapting to the thicker wood sections, the knots, and the rough spots. After each cut, the log is gently rotated, each step precisely calculated to make the most of the good wood. The layers of wood gradually separate, with each large plank being extracted from the log like slices of history, preserving the deepest essence of nature. When the final cut is made, the log has now become a stack of precious planks. The large, thick boards, with their raw surfaces, carry the pristine beauty of nature within them. These planks will continue their journey, naturally air-dried or treated with modern drying techniques, then crafted by skilled artisans, transformed into tables, chairs, staircases, flooring, or even timeless architectural structures. From deep roots in the earth to the hands of humans, oak wood rises to become a symbol of endurance and timeless beauty. Thank you for watching the video.